Hi, good morning everyone. From Casa Midland, the House of Midland in Reggio Emilia, comes a new Vox-enabled multi-norm, the Midland 18. We got one here to have a little look at. We're currently sat in band PL because in Hungary, not so many people on the FM, so if we have it on the PL band, more chance of hearing some skip. Already made one contact on the radio to Donetsk, 5 and 9, good signal, good audio, so that's a positive, straight out of the box. Multi-norm radio, as I say, Vox, 7-color display, digital squelch. Price point, I would say the only thing that sort of narks me a little bit on the radio, on the price pointing, is the case. It's plastic, where President, for example, even on their cheap one, they have a metal case, but that's by the by, I suppose. It depends. What's on the inside is more important than the plastic case. Here we go. Oops. We're on digital squelch. Off on. As I say, 7-color display. We chose this one because it's easiest for the camera. Comes with a new...
Это ты опять чебошник, вылез из подворотни, недобитая нечисть.
I'll turn that down. Comes with a new Midland multi-mic, they call it. Multi-Pro, quite heavy. So don't know if it has a weight inside it to hold it down. But it's quite a chunky mic. Hole right in the center at the front, you can see. Just above where the DL is of Midland, you see the hole. There it goes, you can see it now. Little 4 dots. Vox is quite sensitive. We tried that out this morning. So we have AM, FM because of the band we're in currently. For the people that like export mode, I can tell you that it has 80 channels. Doesn't have high power enabled in export mode, it's just 4 watts. The banding, it's called BR, Bravo Romeo, and it will take you from 26,965 to 27,855, so mid and high. So it allows you the Italian equivalent of the Super Bowl. I think it's channel 46, 27,465 AM. It gives you that. Radio itself is really quite small. Packaging is changed. You don't get a plastic bag with your radio inside it now due to Midland's eco-green policy. They're cutting down a lot on the plastic, so you have to give it to them for that. It's a very good idea. All for that. You have memory control, menu, sorry, not memory. So you go here, you see the colors go. RF gain, backlight, off, 1, 2, 3, leave it on 2. You have the squelch settings as well. It's a good little radio from initial try. You see the skips favorable this morning, which is handy. Multi-norm, switch it off. Buttons pressed, turn it on. Poland, Italy, EC, UK, Germany, there you see. Go to the one you select. Press PTT and it locks it straight in. See what else we find. Not much, as you see. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to try and find some more signals on some other bands and come back with an additional video of that. But in the meantime, you've had a little look. I mean, size, small, dual voltage. I like it. It's nice to see Midland back with a radio. I'm a little bit dubious with the plastic cover for 100 plus euros. It's, I don't know. I prefer a metal case, but we can all get what we want. So that's from the start of the radio anyway, the 18. We'll be back with the 28, which has got an equivalent of NRC on board. But this is a nice little radio. Put it in, forget it, take it on trips, call car to car, does what it says on the tin basically. So see you in a bit with something a little bit different on the 28.